Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put a background in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add a background in Capcut, especially if you're using the PC software application, you can just follow these simple steps. Number one is, once you open the Capcut application on your PC, you might want to click on the new project if you want to start your work and begin from scratch. But if you have already an existing project, just click on it. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Now, for you to be able to add a background or put a background here, all I have to do is go to the import section. Click any of your file that you wanted to put a background. It doesn't matter if it's an image, a photo, or maybe a video. In my case, I'm going to be using this as an example. I'm going to drag it here on the timeline, right? Once it's added, you can do a lot of things on your background. So I'm going to add another one here. This text right here. Obviously, I'm going to resize this here, probably just around here. So the video is now the background and the photo is the foreground. If I click on play on it, you can do a lot with the background, because for one, if you go to the video, go to the basic, you can go to the blend mode, wherein if you want to enhance, for example, add the video right here, and then go down below where you can see the canvas right here. So on the canvas, there's going to be like a drop-down menu. You can tweak your background. You have the blur. You can increase the blur, something like this. All right, so let's try that. How about this one right here? So if you click the playthrough, you should be able to change the background to create a blur effect. Not only you can add a blur, you can also increase the size of your video right here. Make it smaller, make it bigger, and whatnot. So, for example, we're going to delete this one right here. You see that there has been a, let me undo that. It kind of created like a blur effect. So if you play it through, these are going to be some of your options or effects that you can put in the background for here in your cohesive video right here. And then once you're happy, just click the export button on top of the screen to export it to different file formats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.